Today we'll be looking at create and test OCR and Forms processors. Once your lab is open, let's go ahead and open the GCP console. This will take about 20 seconds to load. Make sure you open it in a new incognito window. You can go ahead and click the I understand button. You will be asked for a few terms and service agreements. Click agree and continue. Our first step here will be to enable the Document AI API. On the search bar above, search for Document AI. Click on it. In the following page, you will find an option called Explore Processors. You click on the Explore button. Now, it will ask you to enable the API page. You go ahead and enable the Cloud Document AI API. This should take about less than a minute or a maximum of 2 minutes to get enabled. Now, this is enabled. We can go ahead and continue the next step. So now you see that Document AI is enabled. Now go back to your lab window and try to check if it's completed. You can go ahead and check the first task here. So that should tell you that the first task is completed. Now we will copy the code from the task 2, and then you will go back to your Google Cloud Console and open the G Cloud terminal. So once you activate the Cloud Shell, it will ask for permission. So make sure you go ahead and give the permissions, or you can click continue, and it should bring up your Cloud Terminal app. So once your Cloud Terminal is up, go ahead and paste the URL you just copied. This will be our GCP copy URL. So once you paste it, just go ahead and click enter. This should copy the required files we need for this training into the student portal. Now this is ready. Let's go back and check what we have to do next. Now the next task is to create the OCR processor. So for this, we'll have to create the Vertex AI Workbench. So go ahead and search Vertex AI Workbench on the search bar in your GCP console. So here's your workbench. Click the workbench and you'll have to create a new instance. You can go ahead and close the G Cloud terminal. Once the workbench interfaces loads, here you can go ahead and create new. You can keep everything as it is. You can keep the defaults and then go ahead. Creating the workbench will take up to 5 to 10 minutes. You can wait until that time. So I will be speeding this tutorial up till it's completed. So after 10 minutes, you can see that the workbench is active. Now you'll open the Jupyter Lab and you'll see this interface. So all you have to do is open a Python notebook. Check the description of this video. You can find I have posted the lab workbook code. So all you have to do is go to the description, and like you see, there are a few codes here. I have uploaded these on GitHub to make it easier for you. Go to the description. You will find a GitHub link. You can download the workbook, import it, or just copy paste each code one by one. When you have the code, go ahead, change all the variables according to your lab. So as you can see, I'm changing here, so make sure you change everything according to your lab. Make sure to change all the variables. It's absolutely necessary for you to further test to pass within. Confirm if all variables are changed. Once you have changed variables, go ahead and run all the cells one by one. So this should be enough for you to get most of the tasks completed. If you find any task is not working or if any code is not working, do not worry. Just go ahead and run the other cells. You should have enough from others to complete the lab. Make sure you are changing all your variables like I am doing here. Make sure the URLs, the input URLs you give, the output buckets, you are according to your work lab. Once you get to the end of the notebook and you're done, please go ahead and check progress for all of this so you can see that everything is completed. Now, one thing here is that you probably might have one task which is not complete or not being reflected, but that's okay. I think that's a bug, but only 80% completion is enough for you to pass the challenge. So I think we have made 80% from the notebook itself. So all of the code here you can find in description, and only 80% is enough to complete this lab. So make sure you go ahead and end the lab, and you should see this lab has been completed. To be sure, let's go back and check that. So here you can see that the lab is completed. So thank you for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.